Hello, my name is Ilana Kasenka. I'm a polymer clay and epoxy resin artist from Latvia. And this year, in March, I have started an interesting project. I wanted to make an experiment and tell precisely how long does our silicone molds live when you use them with epoxy resin. Epoxy resin is quite toxic material. It is aggressive, so when you pour resin in silicone molds start uh, to become worse, and usually they can be used from 20 to 30 times. After making this experiment, which took me half a year, so today is October, and started in March because I didn't make it all the time. I had large pauses in my work, and today I finally finished it, and I made 30 pours of these jelly bears. And I want to show you how it was. I have filmed all the demolding processes. I didn't film all the pouring because I used different epoxy resin we have in our stock. A lot of them were already expired, but still can be used, so I used a lot of different epoxy resins, but I showed each demolding. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and please share your comments about what do you think. So this was the last pour, and I slowed down the video so you can see how the molds look like after all these epoxy resin pours. So as you can see, the silicone mold became the color of it became different, so it is not so deep blue as it was. And when you demold these jelly bears, the silicone can tear a bit. I think if I wanted, I could use these molds for some pours more, but I decided to stay at this point. Here you can see the small tears on the mold, how they stick to the epoxy resin. They can be removed, yes, but the mold itself isn't as good as it was in the beginning. A bit later I will also show how the mold looks inside if you will cut it inside. I was interested to see how deep these changes got into the mold, and I was positively surprised that the epoxy resin made changes only on the surface where it was applied. The other part of the silicone in deep inside the mold wasn't changed so much. So here in this cut you can see the changes in the mold which were caused with epoxy resin. When we work with polymer clay, silicone molds live forever because polymer clay isn't toxic, it isn't aggressive, and polymer clay can be used with mold for years. Yes, the molds I have started using several years ago still works fine for me, but epoxy resin is another story. Here you can see all the pours I made. So this is 30 attempts, 30 pours. Each time I use different colors, so the jelly bears are quite beautiful, and I will show you a bit more of each of it. So You can see them